In this video, we are going to discuss about the planets. The planets are the heavenly bodies that do not have their own heat and light. They are spherical in shape. They revolve around the sun in a fixed path called orbits. So most of the planets are revolve from west to east. While revolving around the sun, the planets also rotate on its own axis. While other planets revolve from west to east, Venus and Uranus rotates from east to west. As you all know, there are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So the first 4 planets are very close to the sun. So they are called as inner planets, while the other 4 from Jupiter to Neptune, they are also called as terrestrial planets. They are far away from the sun. Okay. The planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are made up of gases. Let us see about our planet, the Earth, which is our living place. Habitat refers to the living place. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. So, the Earth is the living place of many animals and plants. Okay, because of the proper temperature, we have oxygen to breathe, we have soil, we have water facility. Yes, so these things makes earth as a unique planet, and this supports life in our solar system. Okay, this is the only planet where the living beings can live. When seen from the outer space, the Earth looks like blue. This is due to the presence of water on its surface. You know, two-thirds of the Earth is made up of water, right? So, the planet looks blue color from the space. Hence, it is also known as the watery planet or the blue planet. Our Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called as atmosphere. Okay, so we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. You know that not only those gases are present on the surface of Earth, we have other gases like nitrogen, helium, and many other gases. Okay, so these all forms the atmosphere. Do you know why this atmosphere is for? Yes, this protects the harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Okay, sun gives us light, heat and light, we all know that. It also gives some bad ultraviolet radiations. This is a threat for human beings, plants and animals. That is why the atmosphere protects, especially the ozone layer protects our earth from the UV rays. This traps the heat, this collects the heat from the sun, and this keeps our planet, this atmosphere keeps our planet warm, that is suitable for living beings. So during ancient period, the people thought that earth is a flat surface, but while the astronauts found from the space that the earth is spherical in shape, that is, it is not in the form of round. In near the central part, near the equator means the central part of the sphere, it is bulged, but over the ends near the hemispheres it is flattened. So as a result of this, the earth rotates on its own axis and revolve around the sun. Let us see about the other planets in the solar system. First, we shall discuss about Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun. It has no moon. Okay, during the daytime, the temperature of Mercury is 427 degrees Celsius. But during night time, the temperature is minus 183 degrees Celsius. Okay, the period of revolution of Mercury is 88 days. Okay, so within 88 days, it revolves around the sun, one full circle. It is named after a Greek mythological god named Mercury. Sorry, Roman god. Next, we shall see about the Venus. So, the Venus is also called as the morning and evening star. It is the brightest and hottest planet of the solar system. Okay, it is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is the second planet from the Sun. Its size is equal to that of the Earth. So, it is called as the Earth's twin. This Venus also has no moon. Next, we shall discuss about Mars. Mars is the planet next to Earth. Okay, it is named after the Roman god of war. It is also called as the red planet because of the presence of iron oxide on its surface. Okay, its rotation period is almost similar to that of the Earth. Mars has two moons. One is Phobos and another one is Deimos. The next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. A large part of it is made up of gaseous material. Okay, it is named after the Roman god Jupiter. It has 66 moons revolving around it. Okay, that is why it is called as a mini solar system. The next is Saturn. Next is Saturn. It is the most beautiful planet of our solar system. There are bright rings around its equator. These rings are made up of icy particles, dusts, and gases. Saturn has 66 known moons. Next, Uranus. This Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is named after the mythological Greek god of the sky. Okay, like Saturn, it also has rings around it. So Uranus has 27 moons. Since it is far away from the sun, the large part of Uranus is made of ice. So this is called as an ice giant. The eighth planet in our solar system is the Neptune. Okay, this is the last faraway planet from the sun. It is named after the Roman god of sea. It is 17 times the mass of the earth. Mass means nearly 17 times has more weight than earth. It has 13 known moons. Do you know what happened to Pluto? Pluto was considered to be a ninth planet of the solar system, but in 2006, the International Astronomical Unit termed it as a dwarf planet. Okay, a dwarf planet is a spherical celestial body much smaller than other planets. Okay, this planet Pluto is smaller than all the other planets, so it is taken away from the list of the planets in the solar system. Hope this class is clear to you children. If you have any doubts, call me. Thank you.